Do you want to boost your income? Get started with affiliate marketing. If you're on the hunt for a profitable business opportunity, you might just be interested in affiliate marketing. It's simple enough to understand, but you would be surprised at just how many people get things wrong when marketing. Pay attention to the information in this video. It just might help choose your next business opportunity. To know what works and what does not, keep track of the emails that you sent. Use a professional email program to see who opened your email and who clicked on the link. You might need to work on the title or presentation of your emails to generate more interest. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ensure that your affiliate company offers resources that help you to generate sales. These resources should include banners and text links, as well as templates for recommendation letters. An affiliate company should be willing to help you earn as many commissions as possible. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, choose items that sell for high prices over low-priced products. While this seems counterproductive at first, the effort it takes to market each of these items is the same, so it makes more sense to promote a product that will earn you more. There are several types of affiliate marketing strategies you can use. You can either link as an affiliate directly with a company, or you can join a service that will help you get links for affiliates. Affiliating directly with the company pays the most money. Using a second-hand source will cost you a bit out of the pay. To create the effect of a progressively great deal, start your ad copy with the regular price of the product or service. Around the end of the email or sales blurb, restate the price at a discounted amount. This creates the impression that you are offering an exclusive promotion that is designed specifically with the reader in mind. While we usually charge $99, if you order now you can enjoy this special price of only $59. Now, no amount of solid information can save your affiliate business on its own. It also takes the right actions by you, the business owner. Just remember that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business, and that you need to approach it as such. Failing to take it seriously and treating it as a gimmick will result in ultimate failure. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.